Gardener's HQ Guide to Growing California Redbud. The Cercis Occidentalis plant belongs to the Fabaceae family as is closely connected with beans, peas, and different members of the legumes. The plant is local to the southwestern states of the USA, especially Arizona, California, Nevada, and Utah. It carries appealing pink flowers in clusters in the spring months. It makes an extraordinary small tree to fill in a southwestern USA garden. Speedy Growing and Care Guide. Scientific name, Cercis occidentalis. Normal name, S. California Redbud, Western Redbud. Growing zone, USA Hardiness, 7 to 9. Plant details. Life cycle/plant type, large shrub, tree, perennial. Plant height, up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters. Plant spread, 6 to 8 feet, 180 to 240 centimeters. Blooms, spring and late spring. Bloom details, pink, purple, red. Small. Clusters. Requires winter chill. Leaf foliages, heart-shaped. Shiny. Light green leaves go to red or gold when temperatures start to chill off. Growing conditions. Best light conditions, sunny, likes evening shade. Suitable soil types, average, mud. Soil moisture, tolerates dry soils. Give water in the summer to improve results. Supply water in desert regions. Soil pH, 5 to 7, tolerates soluble soil. Sowing, planting, and propagation, requires 4 seasons. Shield youthful seedlings from frigid temperatures, strong after around 3 years. Additional information. Best garden use, dry slopes close to a water source, natural life gardens, and areas with little precipitation, or water supply. Miscellaneous, brown/red purple vegetable seed pods. The dry season is tolerant. Attracts bees, extraordinary as a component of a natural life garden. Generally used to wind around baskets. Prune to support further twigs. The bark is used to deliver a red color.